Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and today I'm sharing some $1 DIYs. You guys do not want to miss these, so stay tuned and check them out. First DIY, I will be repainting these tables. I picked up at a yard sale this summer for $1 a piece. Now they look really cute, but when you get close up, like I showed, you're going to see that there was just someone kind of half painted them or maybe spray painted them and never decided to do a second coat. And then there was still like some scuffs and some drips, so I just went ahead and lightly sanded the top. The legs seemed pretty good because those weren't even painted white all the way, so it kind of made for a perfect project because this one is going to be super quick and easy to finish because I wanted these to be white and they are wood. So I was like, okay, this is just going to be a quick, simple, we're going to just repaint these and call it a day. And I am so glad that I picked these up, $1 a piece. I'm not sure if I want these inside or outside, but honestly, the first thing I did, I just decided to sand them. And then I just really wanted a upgrade to my painting game, so I'm going to be using the Craft 600 watt paint sprayer. It's designed for beginners and experienced DIYers, and it has a high performance sprayer that delivers smooth, even finish, no brush strokes, and no hassle. And this is already pre-assembled, so all I had to do is put the paint inside and then just click this back in, and I was able to start once I connected it to power. With its powerful 600 watt motor, the Craft sprayer handles a variety of materials like latex, chalk paint, and stains. It's perfect for furniture, cabinets, fences, walls, more, and the adjustable air cap lets you spray horizontal, vertical, or circular patterns so you get precision where it matters. There's also a magnetic 360-degree hose connection that gives you full range of motion without tangling or dragging, and there's a built-in quick mix scale so you can dilute and paint right in the container, no extra tools or guesswork needed. So I really want to do these two tables. I also want to try out some vases, although it didn't say glass, it did say more, and this was the quickest craft that I did. It took me under 10 minutes to do all 4 of these items, and the cleanup is just as easy. The included cleaning tools and quick disconnect parts make rinsing out fast and efficient, saving you time and a mess. I just hooked it up to my faucet outside and turned on the water, and this cleaned everything out so it did not get clogged. So if you're tackling a big project or a quick refresh like I did, the Craft paint sprayer delivers a pro level results with ease of plug and spray setup. So if you guys want to check it out, I will link it down below for you guys. Honestly, it made painting outside so easy, especially when we know it's summertime and everything takes forever to paint and forever to dry outside. So I was so thankful that I had this paint sprayer to help me out. So once that was all dry and ready to go, of course I had to use some chalk couture. Oh my gosh, I could not say that. I love this one. This just says, oh, hello there. I thought this would be really cute to put outside, possibly on my front porch. And then, of course, this other chalk couture silkscreen transfer. This says homegrown. Now, these are older transfers, so I do not think they have them on the website, but they always come out with very similar ones. And I'm just using the eucalyptus chalk paste for that one. Now, these are how my vases turned out. They are honestly perfect. I am so glad that I decided to go ahead and do that. I honestly like using regular paint on vases more, but when I just paint brush strokes on them and paint them, they're somehow, some way, that paint always comes right off. So I was so glad these turned out. I was really hoping that they would, just because I was painting in like an 80-degree day, so I just really wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. So for this one, I decided to just go ahead and add some twine to the bottom. I'm honestly lacking vases in my home, and these were only 25 cents a piece from a yard sale, so I figured I'd add twine to the bottom of this one. The other one, I just wanted to leave just white and just make it simple, and then I could decorate however and whenever I wanted. And this is how this one turned out. I love this. I also wanted to share a couple other projects with you guys, just show you how I decorated these tables. Like I said, I don't know exactly where I'm going to put them, but they look so great. got so lucky over the summer and found some really good yard sales to go to. I feel like some of them were just like a crafters central, that they just had so many signs that they did not want. I picked this one up for $2. I had a yard sale where everything was $2 a piece, and I grabbed so many items for there. I think I spent just over $20 and got over 10 items. And I was just like, this is way better than going to Dollar Tree when I'm getting some high quality, larger wood projects. This is a new Couture stencil. I love this one. This one turned out better than I could have ever imagined. I'm using the Black Velvet Chalk Paste by Couture, and like, look how great this looks. You'd have never guessed that I did this. Sometimes when I look at Couture items, they just get better and better. I've been using them for years, and all I can think of is that they did not have this detailed stencil when I first started. All right, so this actually did come from Dollar Tree, and I actually been using it for craft supplies, ended up using a ton of them, so I decided to go ahead and turn this into a coffee jar. I don't drink coffee, so it's definitely going to be for my husband, although I don't know if he's going to actually love this for his coffee, but it is so cute. So if he doesn't like it, then I guess he doesn't like it, but as long as there's coffee in it, I think it'll be just fine. But I loved this one. This is also a newer one from Couture, and I will link them down below for you guys if you want to check them out. I'm also using the bright white chalk paste for this, and I think using Couture on glass is one of the easy, beginner-friendly projects. It always turns out, and they always look so great. But I love this Homestead Blend Premium Coffee. And then I just dumped his coffee. He had a whole new can of it, so I'm like, you know what? We're going to dump that in, screw it on, and we're going to end up throwing this in the kitchen. But I love this, so even if he left it on the counter, it still looks so cute. But you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love you to stick around and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out the Inno Craft Paint Sprayer. If you want to check it out, link is down below in my description box. But that is it. I will see you all in the next one. Bye!